Hello everyone. So in this video, I will explain taking input of Python list. So let's see how does it work. So let me go to the Python console using Jupyter. So, yeah. So first, let's see input. Okay, and then s dot split. So common way, like as I explained in my previous video where I explained a string, in that what was happening when I was splitting the string, it was converting into list. So same way, I will take as an input any of the string, and then I will convert it into list. So df jh. Now we can see it's converted into list. So let's see another example then. Yeah. So now this is the way the example I explained. Using that way, we can take input string. Now we have to take like integer, float, anything. Then how will we do? It's also very simple way I have already here. So let me break the above code because this is little bit complex. Okay. So let's save this. Okay. So what is happening here? Uh, First, this is the another way. Like in upcoming video, I will explain it. Okay, just try to understand. So strip function I had explained in my previous video, in a string video. So strip function we do use to remove the space from a string. This is the first thing. Second thing, dot split we use to split the string and convert into list. Okay, this is the second thing. Okay, now what we are doing, we are taking input. So input will be a string. Okay, hold on, let me make it little bit more small. I just want to break in one more piece. Okay, so I am taking input, and by default when we take input in a Python, it is a string. So we have to convert. So I given an input means we can uh, like if I use input function, what will happen, like we have to give input. So when we give input, what we will do after giving the input, we will strip this. So if any space is in the input, I will remove this, and then I will split to change into like list. After that, let me show you the example first. Why it is taking a long time? Yeah. So let it be execute. So this input means we are giving some input, then we are removing the space, and then we are splitting and then converting it into list. So after that, what we will do, we are using a map function. Map function. What is the use of map function? So when we have to apply any of the function, like integer or any other function on any object like list, tuple, then we can use a map function. So this is the map function I used, and this input I kept here, and the value, whatever value I am getting, like using this I will get a list. So that will be in a string, like element of list will have a string data type. So that data type I will convert into a string using this map function. So let me give 1 3. So map is this. After map, we need to apply this list function. So let's execute here. I think something is wrong with my console. I think 1 minute. Let me take a new window. Actually, I have not restarted my kernel. Okay. 1 comma 2. So 1 or 2. It's written 1 or 2. Okay, this is the list. So let's print L. So we can see this is the, it's converted into a list. So 1 or 2 we given as the input, at runtime, and it return as a list 1 2. So when we have, in the previous example I showed you how to take a string as an input. Now here in this example I am showing you how to take a integer as a input and convert it into list. Same way we can use for float also. So in the next video I will explain I will explain like how to add element in the list and what are the method available to add element in the list. Thank you.